It's so you. Hey Richie, this is your dad. We're out here before the storm. It's about an hour away. As you can see, your dad's clothes. Turn sideways, let's see your hair. There's wacky doodle hair. And that's the wind. We're at Makapuu, hanging on to my phone. Richard! Ah! Hang on. Yeah, and the best winds aren't even here yet. Oh, good idea. So we live out there, kind of straight across there. That's where we live. But we decided to be reckless to come out here. The winds are picking up. Oh my God. Hang on, Richard. Here comes a big one.